Salutations! We're back. Welcome back to Saffron and Cypher's channel.
Yeah!
Alright, so today we have another Jurassic World Rebirth review. We're gonna do the Strike Attack YUXISAURUS. We haven't done it yet, but behind it is the Edmontonia. Well, check this out first. So I already repainted. I gave it some gray spots on the legs. Also, I added some black color in it. I don't know if you guys can tell. Right here, because these aren't colored like the original right here. See that? That's not colored, but I colored it here. Make it blacker, same as the spikes on the tail right here. And what else? Just pretty much it. There's the DNA scan. There's more gray spots right there. The original didn't have it. You can tell right there. And also the other one, the third one, I do a custom paint. This one, the Edmontonia here. I googled the color and chose this color and painted it. So here it is now, our third Edmontonia. I give it some dark on the legs as well to make it look like dirt, make it look realistic. So the DNA scan still works. Here's the custom paint that I made, and then another one for the extinction and the original behind it. Haven't opened it yet. So there you have it. We have 3 Edmontonias now. And let's go to our main guy, the YUXISAURUS. We're gonna unbox this. Okay guys, let's check it out. So we already did the Enostrans Savior. Monolophosaurus, I don't know if we're still gonna do this. Saffron already opened it. And Tapijaras, that could be next. We haven't done this yet. Okay, so let's check it out. And also here's my other YUXISAURUS now. I already painted it. Gave it some yellow spots on the thighs right there. I painted the tail as well. Look at that tail right there. I painted it. And also the head. You can see the head right there. I gave it extra color. And also the eyebrow. I made it a little yellowish compared to that. See that? Okay, and I also have a third one. I'm still painting it. It's not ready yet. Let me go get it. Alright, so here it is, the third one. Not quite done yet. I'm probably gonna change it to a little orange on the armor. And then the spikes would be a little dark brown. So yeah, I'm gonna change everything here. See that? Not quite done yet. Alright, so yeah, that's pretty much it for today, guys. Enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up. Thank you again. So here's all our Ankylosaurids video. All Ankylosaurid creatures. There you have it. Okay guys, thank you so much. Make sure to like, subscribe, or comment. Thank you. Have a good weekend now. Bye.